The MacBook Air M5 is a slim and powerful laptop built for work, creativity, and daily use. It delivers fast performance, smart AI features, long battery life, and smooth integration with Apple devices. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the MacBook Air M5, USB-C to MagSafe 3 cable, AC adapter, user manual. Product overview. The Magic Keyboard with Touch ID offers quick access to emojis, language switching, and secure MacBook Air unlocking with a touch. Touch ID, power button, turn on your Mac. Set up Touch ID. Unlock your Mac. Make purchases with Apple Pay. MacBook Air Trackpad. The MacBook Air Trackpad supports simple gestures for scrolling, zooming, rotating, and more. Its Force Touch technology detects pressure and provides subtle feedback, helping you work with better control and precision. Function keys. How to use. Select your language and region, choose setup options, connect to Wi-Fi, and follow the on-screen steps to complete your MacBook Air setup. Sign in with your Apple account, verify your identity, agree to the terms, and choose your preferred settings for services like Siri, Screen Time, and Analytics. Open System Preferences Trackpad to view and customize MacBook Air gestures. Enable the gestures you need and disable any unwanted ones by unchecking them. You can customize the MacBook dock from settings. Adjust the dock size to your preference. Enable magnification to make apps easier to click. You can also hide the dock to save screen space. How to connect. Connect a USB drive to your MacBook Air using a USB-C adapter or a compatible USB-C drive, then plug it into any available port to transfer files easily. Put your Bluetooth headphones or AirPods into pairing mode, then connect them to your MacBook Air from the Bluetooth settings. Use a USB-C charger to charge your MacBook Air M5. Connect the cable and it will charge automatically. Keep the battery between 20% and 80% for better health. Smart features? Your MacBook Air M5 can automatically use a nearby iPhone as a high-quality webcam for video calls, giving you better image quality than the built-in camera. The M5 chip includes enhanced AI processing capabilities, allowing features like writing assistance, image tools, smart search, and faster on-device AI tasks without relying only on cloud processing. Many users don't know the MacBook Air M5 can run multiple external displays, making it useful for a desktop-style setup with extra monitors. macOS automatically manages power usage, but you can improve battery life by adjusting settings like low power mode, background app activity, and display brightness. You can move your cursor and keyboard between a MacBook Air and an iPad seamlessly, making both devices work like one connected workspace. Receive calls, messages, notifications, use iPhone mirroring, and copy-paste between Apple devices through continuity features. Specifications. FAQs. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your MacBook Air M5. See you in the next one.